Marjina, and today we are at the Grand Canal 1986 Cultural and Creative Park. Here today we have been trying first of all the buildings, how to build a temple of Chinese ones, and they have used a technique of sunmao, which has like helping the buildings and temples to do not get fall down for thousands of years. And what we tried next, it was about the Chinese hanfu. Today I tried the second nature Chinese hanfu, which was super beautiful, and when you're taking a photos, videos, super cool, nice. We were like playing, how it's called, chunji, okay, something like this. So I forgot already, but it was like a playing like this. You got my idea, right? And third one, we tried the best, like farming. We went to strawberry farm and we went to rice farm. So it was my first time to see actually how the rice is made. And guys, trust me, it's lots of work, so do not waste your rice. And after, of course, we were super hungry. We went to try a restaurant over here. Inside of it, every people were telling like their shape is super yummy. You can try that one. So we ordered the lamb and of course different kind of vegetables as well. And they have a fish and like different traditional food as well. But I really paid more attention to the lamb, and it was juicy. And smelling so good and seasoned so well. So I think this is a brand new place, nice place if you want to escape the city. And we tried almost everything over here, and I hope there's gonna be new stores coming up, opening up very soon, because I'm definitely gonna come here one more time. This is really worth here. So I like it there. Thank you.